Hello everyone, back again. Yep, still in bed. Ain't moved yet. I've been downstairs a couple of times, but anyway, it's just a quick video before we continue to the main video. As you can see, I've had a shave, but the video straight after this, obviously I haven't. But obviously, I've got to do part 3 of my update for my leg anyway. But basically, as you all know, sad times at the minute. Queen, bless her, passed away on the Thursday. Today is Sunday. Obviously, I haven't done any videoing yet since before then because obviously she died Thursday, so I was watching the news. Friday I was at the hospital getting the staples out my leg. That's in an upcoming video. Obviously yesterday that was Saturday, so I was in a bit of pain with it stinging from where they took staples out, so I'm doing a quick one now just for the Queen before the main video part starts. So, you know, God bless the Queen, bless her. We all loved her. She's done the job the longest on the throne, 70 years. And now, sadly, she passed away. And now we've got a king, which everyone's going to have to get into the habit now. King Charles, not Prince Charles. I'll keep saying Prince now and then, but it's not. It's King Charles now. Anyway, rest in peace, Queen. You fly high, be free, and you rest up. So anyway, going to continue to the video now, so... You know, would have been God Save the Queen, but it's God Save the King now, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, yeah, you all take care. Well, hello there. Yes, as you can see, I'm in bed. Should have been camping this week, but I've got a bit of bad news for you all, so I'm hoping you stay with me. I've had a nasty accident, which I'll show you in a minute. I basically broke my leg. Obviously I haven't had a shave. I'm going to get shaven at some point, but not yet because my leg's hurting quite a bit today. Got rushed into hospital on Friday, which was the 19th of August. Coming out of my house through the door, a bit of a drop to get obviously down outside. And my leg basically gave way on me and snapped. And it's not just one break neither. I've actually broken 4 bones in my leg. So let's put it down there, mate.
With you.
Let me minute. Right, I'm doing a video, mate. So yeah, I've had an operation. That was on the Sunday. I'll just try and put it there for now. I didn't know where you wanted it. Oh. So, I had an operation on the Sunday. They've had to put a big metal nail straight through me. What?
Can you reach the bin?
Yeah, I'll be able to get that. They put a big metal nail from my knee down towards my ankle, because basically part of my bone was basically floating in mid-air. So that wasn't actually connected, but they've basically put the nail down inside my bone to basically hold my leg together, and then they've put screws in because there's also fractures as well, obviously to protect them. So yeah, there isn't going to be no camping videos for quite a while now, guys, because I got discharged yesterday, which would have been it's 24th today. It would have been the 23rd. Would have been the 23rd of August. So now I've got to go back in 2 weeks time, which they're sorting transport for me because obviously I can't drive and got no other way of getting there. To remove the, I think they're staples they've put in for where they've opened me at. But basically I'm pretty much almost bedbound. I mean, I can go back and forth to the toilet, but that's it. I mean, obviously I came home yesterday, spent a bit of time downstairs with obviously Tina and the kids, and then I managed to get upstairs slowly. Took an effort, but it weren't straining on my leg too much. Now I'm basically just in bed, but I'm going to keep you all updated as each week goes by, because like I said, I want to try and at least get small videos and that out for you, because you know we're doing really well. When I found out yesterday we hit 200 subscribers, so thank you very much. It's where we wanted to be. But now, like I said, my main target's 1,000 and above. But, you know, just please be patient. I mean, we're still going to be camping, but the doctors have said for a proper hill it's going to take a minimum of 6 months. So, yeah, it's going to be waiting a while. But end of the day, our proper camping season finishes end of September anyway. We were meant to be going away in November for both Mum's birthdays, but obviously, because of my leg, I'll show you that in a minute. It's done up, you can't see nothing. But there's no cast. So before all of you say, oh, they should have put a cast on and all that, because there's that much metal in my leg, now that's what's supporting my leg inside. There's literally like probably now about 80% of my leg's metal. So yeah, it's gonna be one of them where now it's gonna just be updated videos on how I'm doing, how my leg and that's doing, and chatting and things like that really. So, you know, if you got any questions, put them down in the comments. I can do a video on that then and answer any questions that you've got.
I'm running around like an headless chicken.
Bless her. Tina's doing loads, bless her. I mean, she don't have to. I mean, I'm happy as long as I've got a cup of tea and that. I've got a little telly in here, so in the bedroom, so I can watch telly.
I'm only joking.
But yeah, I don't know what else to say really, because, well, we're not camping no more for quite a while. So yeah, I've got my leg up on the bed now. I've got a couple of pillows and underneath. Got to pinch one of the hospital pillows. I shouldn't have done, but I used it to come down in the wheelchair when Tina picked me up yesterday, and I thought, well, instead of having her running back and taking that back out before taking, that's a bit more support for my leg as well, because the pillows that I got are quite soft. So, you know, it's like I said, got any comments, questions, put them down. I can still write and that, so I can write whatever questions you got, and then I can obviously do a video and answer them for you. I know I've still got a few shout outs to do. I've had some, obviously, from one of my previous videos. I've got 2 there, and I've got to redo the ones that I made all the mistakes on before. So I'll probably do them in the next video. So at least then I've done them. Obviously we're not camping, it's just going to basically be in my bed and doing the shout outs. So I'm going to turn camera around and show you now. There you go. That half of my leg from the knee down. If I turn my leg a bit, you can see that foot's a bit more swollen, but it was worse than that this morning when I got out of bed, because obviously where I've been laying with it, it stiffened up a bit this morning, so it was a bit painful. Could probably tell that it's swollen a lot more than the other leg, but all it's going to be is rest. Can't do anything. The towel's there for a reason. That's just like giving me support, because I can't really reach all the way down, so I use the towel to pull my foot back onto the bed so I'm not straining my leg. So yeah, so I'm only going to be little videos, 5 maybe 10 minutes long, unless I get any like questions of anything I can answer them. So it might be a longer video, a little bit of shout outs next time. But obviously this is my first video of the progress so far, so yeah, at minute, can't do a lot.
You'll have to write the questions down and do the front.
Yeah, I know, I've already said that. I'll have to get a notepad. I need a notepad anyway for my shout outs, so next time I can do them right and just look at what I've written. I managed to go to the toilet alright on my own. I mean, Tina had to help me get my leg on and off, didn't you?
Yeah.
Onto the bed. But I think I'd done it myself near enough last time with that towel, didn't I? Because I lifted my foot with the towel, and then all she had to do was get the pillows under my leg, so it raises my leg up, because that's what they always say. Keep your leg raised, because of swelling it won't be as bad then, because the swelling's coming back towards you. So there's no build up. I mean, I ain't got much pain now. I mean, I took my tablets this morning. It's a little bit ningly this morning, but that will be because obviously coming home and that yesterday, obviously one of my neighbours picked us up. Because our friend Mel actually came down Monday.
Yeah.
Monday she came down. Obviously today is Wednesday. But she couldn't stay for that long because she lives up in Newcastle, so it's quite a drive for her. So because they were taking so long, you know, getting discharging ready, getting me tablets ready, I had to have an x-ray as well before I came and make sure everything's in place and hasn't moved, which it didn't. It was fine. So we got one of our neighbours to pick us up in the car, so I just basically shuffled in the back of the car, my leg resting on the chair, and then obviously getting into the house. But I managed, and then obviously last night getting up the stairs and coming straight to bed. Basically, this is where I'm going to be for at least a week or two, because obviously I've got to get back downstairs before 2 weeks, because obviously they're coming to pick me up from the hospital to get the staples took out, so I'll be up here till then pretty much. But anyway, you know, please subscribe. I know it's not going to be much footage or anything interesting now for quite a while, but I can't do anything for you, I'm afraid. I can't go camping yet, and you know, I think now, I broke this leg previously, and I think ever since I broke my leg then I've been having quite a few falls, and because of that leg. I mean, you'll see on the actual, hang on, which video, because I've still got another camping video to come out. That's a two-parter, where we went before this happened. I've still got a review video to do with the power station. I've still got to do that. I can just do that in the bedroom, you know what I mean? Just bring the box to get to, bring it up, and I'll review it and do. And a little forestry walk, a little local forestry walk at the pit top. I've still got that video to put on. But basically, when we first moved here, I had 2 falls then, didn't I? One outside and one down the stairs.
Yeah, this house is dangerous.
It's my leg. But no, ever since I broke it the first time, well, not as bad as this. It was the bone at the back I fractured, but ever since I've done it the first time, it's never been the same. And well, I don't think it's going to be the same ever again now, to be honest. So we'll have to see what happens, because it's going to be now or next year before we do any camping, which is a shame. It's bummed me out.
We've had to cancel Mum's holidays.
Yeah, I've said that, but we've had to cancel because we were going to go on a static caravan at where?
Skipsy Sands.
Skipsy Sands in November, but what company was that? Horse
Seasons.
Oh, Horse Seasons or whatever it's called.
Seasons.
Hose Season or whatever. You know what I'm on about. But we've had to just cancel that, and I'm not very happy with them neither. They're going to get quite a nasty reply back from me, because yes, they have procedures for things. I mean, they're saying like, oh, you know, for cancellation, if you cancel, there's a fee of £33. But it's not as if I've just cancelled it just for the sake of cancelling it. I've cancelled it because I can't physically walk. So Tina rang them. When did you ring them?
Yesterday.
Oh, yesterday, before I've come home. And they said, oh, even though it's not till November, we're still in August, there's still plenty of time left yet to cancel. They were going to charge us another £33 as a cancellation fee, even though I broke my leg. So yeah, I'm not too happy about that, so I will be ringing them at some point, and I'll be putting a complaint in, because that's disgusting. You know, I've gave them plenty of notice. It's not as if I've gave them a week's notice. Oh, I broke my leg so I can't come. Can I have my money back? You know what I mean? So you know, we've paid a deposit, yeah, but they're still saying, oh, if we cancel it, they're going to still charge us £33.
That deposit's non-refundable, by the way.
Yeah, exactly. So why if that's non-refundable, they should be charging us a big cancellation fee on top of that. Then
if we paid 25, it would have been an extra like £8 or something.
Yeah, but they're charging us £33 on top of that, even though they've had a deposit. See what I mean? Paid a deposit, and it's non-refundable, but they'd still want a £33 cancellation fee. I'll tell you one thing, they were going to be getting some nasty things from me, I'll tell you that. Because that's out of order. It's not as if I've just said, oh, I can't make it, so can I cancel it? I've cancelled it because I can't move. You know, a bit of a rant, I know, sorry people, don't want that on the channel. But that does, things like that annoy me. They should have policies and procedures for certain things. I mean, this is quite a serious problem I've got. You know, I'm lucky they've even been able to fix it, because apparently it was that damaged. And that was just by falling, coming out the door. It wasn't rushing, man. I just stepped outside my front door and bang, on the floor. That was it. Wasn't doing nothing strenuous. So they said, oh, we can move the date, so we're going to try and do it for November next year, because obviously if it's more expensive next year, we've got to pay the difference again. And it's like, no, I'm not. I said to Tina, no, don't rebook for that, just rebook it again for November next year. I said, but I will be ringing them, and I'll be complaining about it, because I'm not happy with the way they do their processes. It's not very good at all. You know, just think, what if you had a bereavement, or literally someone's just out, and are they going to still charge you £33 after that? I mean, it's disgusting. Proper disgusting. I've never known of any company to do things like that, to be honest. Normally they're quite lenient with you. You know, if something serious, like, oh no, that's fine, don't worry about it, that's fine. I'd understand if we're cancelling for no good reason, just something silly. But when it's something like this, something serious, it's like, no, we can't help, I can't walk. Can't help, I can't get there, can't help, I can't drive. And these things happen. Everybody's probably had a nasty accident in their time. You know, it's just one of them things. So, yeah, so hopefully you can all be patient with us, because we don't want to be losing anybody. But we love you all, and, you know, all that support we get off you and all the comments. We love getting the comments. And anyone that wants shout outs as well, put them down so I can add them to my list as well. I've still got to write them down, so I've got to look back at me previous videos, see where them comments are for shout outs. So anyway, I'm not going to ramble on for too long. I've been rambling now for literally 10 minutes on this clip. Just showing you, this is basically first vlog of my progress, basically. But this is how it's going to be for a good few weeks before I can really start doing anything. I've got to rest it out, keep my leg up in the air so it's flowing backwards, if you know what I mean. So, yeah, you all take care. I will. It's not a lot I can do at the minute, so, you know, thanks for your support. Thanks for everything you're doing, like comments and that. Really enjoy the comments, and plus it's going to give me something to do as well. You know, instead of sitting here in bed bored, I can just answer your comments back, and let's go and get the comments going. You know, have a chat. I don't mind having a chat in the comments.
It's like an old lady when he gets chatting.
Yeah, like Tina's just said, I'm like an old woman. So, as you can tell, that's all I ever do is chat on here. But, you know, I'm not bothered as long as you enjoy the content. But anyway, you all take care. Take it easy, because these little things can happen just out of nowhere without you even knowing. And, you know, if any of you are camping, enjoy it. Let us know if you're camping or anywhere. Put in comments where you are. You know, and I'll have a look and see what it's like there as well. Like through on Google or Google Maps, see how far it is all from here, because we'll check it out. And, you know, if there's any new subscribers out there as well, which have come to our channel, I know we've had a few. Well, I'm Jamie. Tina's obviously just behind the camera. Got the two boys, they're in their bedroom. Andrew's the eldest and Harvey's the youngest.
Downstairs.
Oh, they're downstairs, are they?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought they were in the bedroom and not the downstairs. So, anyway, not sure if I've forgotten anything, but, you know, give us a comment, give us a subscribe, give us a like, and if you can, if you've got any social media accounts, give us a share as well for our channel. Let it build up again and get even bigger and bigger and bigger. I know it's going to slow down a bit anyway with this, because not many people are into things like this, are they? They like to see all the outdoorsy stuff, but I'm the same. I like being outdoors more than being stuck in. But anyway, you all take care, and I'll see you on the next video. See what we're doing then. Probably the same thing, really, but I'll probably have more like answering comments or questions or shout outs or something. So you all take care, take it easy. Love you all to bits, don't we?
Yeah.
Ta-da for now, everyone. Take care. Bye.